Everyone, welcome. So this video will try to explain to you how to fix this access strikes. This has accidentally become list view instead of the usual checkbox. So it's pretty much simple to fix this. You can go to the settings menu and go to the user and companies and select the groups. If you don't see groups, you have to enter the debug equal to 1 inside the URL section, and then you can try to create a new groups. This can be anywhere, this can be any application. Let's try to make appointment and let's just test. Okay, and if we save and if we refresh, it will go back to normal again. And after done that, you can just delete it. So if you care enough about how this can happen, it's because this group is actually have some method that render the entire available group into this, and that method of rendering has to be triggered. it's um, it has to be triggered from a new entry or something, so you have to uh, try to create a new one and delete it, and this should fix the issue. Another thing, that if you want to try to fix it, you can just upgrading base, but this one is not recommended, and I think it's preferably using this way. So that's the video. Have a nice day.